Where can tenants get help with unresponsive landlords? Imagine your apartment needs urgent repairs, but your landlord doesn't answer your calls or emails. What do you do next? When landlords ignore tenant concerns, tenants have several options to get help and protect their rights. First, always start by sending a written notice to your landlord. Use certified mail or another method that provides proof of delivery. Clearly describe the problem, when it started, and mention any lease clauses or local laws that requiring repairs. Keeping a record of your requests is important if the issue escalates later. If your landlord still doesn't respond and the problem affects your health or safety, the next step is to report the issue to your local housing or code enforcement agency. These agencies can inspect the property and order the landlord to fix safety hazards or code violations. For example, if there is no heat during winter or a leak that causes mold, reporting these issues can lead to official action. In some cases, tenants can take further steps if repairs are not made within a reasonable time. One option is the repair and deduct method. This means hiring a licensed professional to fix the problem and deducting the cost from your rent. Be aware that this process has specific rules. You usually need to give written notice, wait a certain number of days, and use licensed contractors. Check your local laws for exact procedures. Another option is to seek legal advice and possibly file a lawsuit against your landlord for breach of contract, or to get an order called an injunction that forces repairs. Small claims court is a common place to recover damages caused by the landlord's failure to maintain the property. The limits for small claims court vary by state but are often between $1,000 and $5,000. If the property becomes unlivable because repairs are not done, you might have the right to end your lease early without penalty. This is called lease termination due to habitability issues. Make sure to document everything and follow local laws before ending your lease. Lastly, if your landlord tries to evict you because you have withheld rent for unaddressed repairs, you can defend yourself in court. Showing that the landlord failed to make necessary repairs can be a strong legal defense against eviction. Throughout this process, it is important to keep paying rent unless local laws explicitly allow withholding it. Not paying rent without proper legal backing can lead to eviction proceedings. Remember, landlords should respond promptly and keep open communication with tenants. When they don't, tenants have legal and governmental channels to get help. Knowing these options helps you stand up for your rights and ensures your living space remains safe and comfortable.